Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. You already know what that means. I'm bringing you another meal prep video. I was kind of going through the requests this past week of more videos, like what type of stuff you guys want to see. And I got so many requests for another affordable meal prep video because we know the new year is literally right around the corner. So instead of waiting another week and just eating a bunch of shit this week, I wanted to get this video out for you guys, a super affordable full week of meal prep for under 20 bucks. So I'm always doing my research on YouTube and kind of seeing what's trending or what you guys want to see. And I noticed a lot of other people have put up meal prep videos for the week for like 50 or 75 bucks, which is still a pretty low cost, especially if you have more than 1 or 2 people in your family. But I do live by myself just with my son, and I don't necessarily prep all of his food. He is kind of a picky eater and decides as he goes. But I wanted to show you guys today everything that I made for myself for the entire week and how I was able to do that under that $20 mark. So I just wanted to come on and do a little intro and go over some of the ingredients and let you know how I hit that price budget. So if you are just finding my channel through this video, thank you so much for watching. It is so appreciated. My name is Jordan and I am on my own personal weight loss journey, which I do share here on my channel. I'm down overall about 30 pounds ever since I started losing weight a few years ago. And it definitely goes up and down, but it's all credit to being extremely consistent on my meals and my meal prep, and I have found such a passion for working out. So I'm so happy to have you, and I hope that my meals can help you in some way. If you do like this video, I would love if you would just subscribe down below to see more of my content in the future. And I want to let you guys know a ton of the ingredients I'm using in today's video are actually from the Thrive Market. So if you haven't heard of them, it's a website where you can log on and basically get all of your groceries, all of your food delivered right to your house. And they do have non-GMO, organic, extremely clean, really healthy foods that will help you on your weight loss journey. And everything is at such a low cost, you guys. You can literally buy stuff on there at wholesale pricing, which is so cheap. Like, I've never seen a website where they cater so many items to the consumer who's on a really tight budget. And if you are new to my channel, everything I mention on my channel, whether it's meal prep or fitness or beauty, I cater everything to college students or single moms, because I'm a single mom myself, or just anyone who's on a budget. So everything on their site is super cheap. One of the ingredients I'm going to show you for the breakfast meal I'm using the Justin's almond butter. So if you guys are watching this video right now, you're going to be able to get one of those almond butters completely for free. So I'll leave the link down below. They've offered for any of my subscribers to just give you guys one of those literally at no cost. And it's usually about a $14 product, so you're going to get that totally for free, and you'll get an entire free month to their website, which usually would cost you. So just for the holidays, they wanted to give something away to anyone who watches this video. Any of my subscribers, like, all you have to do is click the subscribe button down below, and that is free for you. So I will leave the link down below. Just definitely after this video, get that free nut butter because it's amazing. Like, you'll see in the recipe how I used it. And then definitely also check out their website as well. I'll put any other information down below about them because they are just a great, genuine company, and I really do believe in what they're doing. So I'll also leave in the description box how much each product was that I'm talking about today, so how I hit the $20 overall mark for the week. You're gonna see me in this video make half of my meals. So I make half on Sunday and half on Wednesday. So nothing gets soggy and nothing goes bad. Just because I do live alone. If you are making meals for your whole family, you can like double up these recipes or do whatever it is that you do. But for all the meals I make today, plus all the meals I'm gonna make on Wednesday, that entire, like, all those meals together are under 20 bucks for all of the ingredients, which is so great if you're in college or just on a tight budget. So I'll leave all the info for the pricing in the down bar and the free month to Thrive and your free almond butter, so be sure to grab that. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's just go ahead and get into everything that I made. What's up, you guys? So we're going to get this meal prep started. I wanted to give you a quick visual of the little containers here that I'm going to be using. These are reheatable and reusable. I've used them in other videos. They're super cheap. I use them pretty much every week, and they've been really handy for me. So the first meal that we're going to do is I'm going to prep some breakfast for myself. I'm going to make some protein overnight oats, which I have made before, but I'm doing a little variation. So for my fruit of choice, I went ahead and chose bananas. I just chopped up 2 full bananas. And then I'm also going to be using the Justin's almond butter, which you'll see in a second, that I kind of add into the mixture at the end to tie in the flavor of everything. So you're just going to take any type of rolled oats that you have. You can literally use any flavor, flavored, unflavored, whatever you would like. And I'm going to take half a cup of oats and put that in each little container. I do want to make it clear that whatever you're seeing that I'm making here for meal prep, I made double this amount for my entire week.
So at the end, if you're like, hey, like that's not enough for the week, I make half of this on Sunday and half on Monday because I don't want it to go bad, and it's just me living with my son. So I do make double these amount of meals, and it's all still under that $25 mark. So then you just want to cover the oats with non-dairy milk or water, and then I chose to add a little bit of cinnamon for taste on mine. And then all I did was pop the bananas in the little meal prep container on the side. I don't like to put them right on top of the oats because they do get soggy. So I just put them on the side, and then I did add in about a tablespoon of the Justin's almond butter in there as well. And then in the morning, the oats will have soaked up into the water, like all the moisture will have been soaked up, and they're very thick, and you just go ahead and throw the peanut butter and the bananas in there. You just mix it all together in a bowl, add some maple syrup, and you're good to go. So cheap and very easy. You can get a pack of rolled oats at the dollar store, or you can get it at Ralph's for like $2. So that was breakfast. Moving on to one of my lunch meals, I'm going to go ahead and boil some pasta. This again was $1 from the dollar store. And then I'm also using this cubed super firm tofu. We all know that I love tofu. I've never gotten any that's been cubed up like this previously. I usually cut mine, but I really liked how this one was already in little cubes for me. So all I did was put my pan on medium heat, and I dumped that in there. And then I was doing both of these at the same time just to save time. So I was boiling the pasta as well. Then I took a little bit of the Kikkoman soy sauce and put that on the tofu. And then I was showing you here as well that I had also prepped some rice in this rice cooker. So I get a lot of questions about why I don't just put minute rice in the stove. For some reason, it soaks up, like the fluffiness and the texture of it is so much better when you do it in a rice cooker. So I just left all those on the side, and I started on the salads. So I took a $1 bag of lettuce, and I'm just putting about a cup of lettuce in each of the meal prep containers. You can use iceberg lettuce or Romanian, whatever it is that you like. I was just kind of showing you the package there. It's called the Green and Crisp from Fresh Express. So then here I'm just adding some of these tri-colored tortilla strips. I'm someone who really likes something crunchy. I usually just like pretzels and crackers, and I'm a very like crunchy person, I guess. So I just wanted to add some of these on top of the salad. I thought it would taste really good, but I did put them in an extra meal prep section, as you can see here, because I don't want anything getting soggy. But you don't have to add that. And then I went ahead and did some kidney beans, some corn, and some olives. If you've seen my other meal prep videos, I really like any type of bean mixture. You can literally add anything though. If you don't even want to do a salad, you could take some of that white rice and you could just mix the kidney beans, the corn, black beans, garbanzo beans, and make a little like Mexican style rice with some tofu on there. You don't have to do a salad. This is just something I know that I like and that I know that I will eat. So right here I actually changed my mind. I took out these tortilla strips and put them back in the bag. I'm still going to use them, but I wanted to use that little section for the white rice. So I put about half or 3/4 of a cup of white rice in the side of the containers, just in case that little salad wasn't really enough. Some days that would fill me up, and some days I would need a little bit extra carbs, so I wanted to just put some rice in the side. And then I did add this Flavor God seasoning over top whenever I went ahead and heated it up and ate it. It's the Garlic Lovers. It tastes really good. And this is the Ranch Walden Farms dressing, which I use, which a lot of you ask if I do use dressing. So next up, whenever the tofu was done cooking, you'll know it's done when it's brown and a little bit crispy. I just went ahead and topped that over the salad. Again, this is just like a salad combination I've had in the past that I knew that I liked. That was extremely affordable to make. Pretty much everything was $1 and the tofu was like $2. So it was good to go after I topped it off with that. It's a meal that's very healthy, very tasty, has a lot of flavor. It definitely fills me up, and just something I've eaten multiple times that I know that I love. And it's so quick to make, you guys. Like, it's so quick. So these were the 4 that I made on Sunday, and then I would make 4 more on Monday, all for underneath that $25 mark. So that was the first recipe for lunch. And then for dinner, I just went ahead with a pasta. So as you saw in the first clip, I boiled that pasta. And then right here, I was just putting it into the meal prep containers whenever it was all done. You can do whole wheat pasta, you can do quinoa, literally whatever you want. I'm just showing you guys like something that I know that I like. And this is a recipe that my son will eat as well, which is great, so I don't have to make extra. Then I was just taking some of the red pasta sauce. I, of course, chose the one with no meat, but they have tons of different Hunt's pasta sauce you can choose from, whatever you like. This one is just red sauce with a little garlic flavor kick. And then I did put some frozen broccoli on top. I didn't want to do too many canned vegetables, and I know that frozen is definitely a lot healthier. So I just put this frozen on top because whenever you microwave it, it's going to thaw out and cook perfectly well anyways. So whenever you're ready to eat this one, all you'll do is microwave everything up, pour your red sauce on top, and you're literally good to go. So this is how these look. Again, such a cheap, easy meal, but it's something that I truly enjoy the taste of, and it does have a lot of flavor with the garlic mixed in there with the sauce, and I just love broccoli, so those were all done. Then right here, I was just kind of putting on the lids. I like these meal prep containers because the lids actually elevate. They go a little bit higher at the top, so if your food is kind of sticking out and you put a lot of food in the container, it's still going to fit, which is great. So this is everything I prepped for this video. Again, from my entire week of prep, I do double of this. And then because I do have breakfast at home a few times throughout the week. So yeah, that's how everything looked. It was super, super easy. Be sure in the down bar, you guys, to check out Thrive Market and get your free Justin's almond butter and your free 1 month of service to their website. Everything is so cheap. I can guarantee you're going to want to use the site for more than a month after. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button down below. It is so appreciated. And you can click the screen right now to check out one of my other videos. And I love you guys, and I will see you next time.